Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and I'm very excited to have all of you here like every Wednesday. Well, today I have a beautiful and sweet video, but before I continue, I want to share this story. Well, days ago I met a doctor and he told me and he shared with me this beautiful story about a beautiful woman named Emilia. She passed away several months ago and she was unemployed, so she was not doing anything and she needed a reason to continue to waking up every day. She needed a reason to continue living and she was not very motivated and she just wanted to go and she doesn't want to live anymore. So this doctor talked to her and told her like, no, there are a lot of reasons to continue living. There are a lot of people that need from you, like you shouldn't be like selfish, like you have your family and there are a lot of people out there that may need your help. And what she loves to make, well, she loves to crochet and it was her passion and she really crocheted very well. So this doctor told her like, you should crochet for premature babies. There are a lot of babies out there that there is no clothes in existence for them because they are very small, very little, and maybe you should crochet for them. Well, when a woman, Emilia, passed away, well, of course, there continue being more premature babies out there. So this doctor come to me and he told me that if I could help him to continue making this action that Emilia started, and that with all her heart she wanted to continue making, but unfortunately, well, her health was not very good to continue, and well, she passed away. And well, I think that people are in your life for a reason, and if I have this opportunity and if this doctor came with me with this idea, well, I will be pretty happy to continue what Emilia started. And well, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this premature jacket. I hope that you help me to continue with this action and with this thing that Emilia started. I will make it. I will try to make as many jackets I can make to continue helping these beautiful babies. And well, I hope that you can make it too. I hope that you can learn to make this beautiful stitch. There are a lot of stitches out there and there are a lot of ways to make jackets for premature. I will try to give you the correct measures and the correct size for premature baby. You can imagine how small these beautiful babies are, and but the way they fight for their life, it's so big. They have an amazing and a big heart, and well, let's help them with the things that we know to do, and the best way we know that it's crochet. And if we know how to crochet and we know how to knit, and we only are going to use very few material, less than 50 grams for this jacket, well, I think that it's an amazing way to help. And well, if you want to send the premature jackets that you make, well, you can send me to Puebla. I know that maybe it will be so far from your countries. It's in Mexico. And well, if you can, always if you can. If not, well, you can help in the local hospitals that you have around your community, around your city. I know there are a lot of premature babies out there that may need these jackets, and a lot of needy families that can buy clothes for their prematures. And even if they want, well, there are no clothes for premature babies. Look how small. But well, let's don't lose more time. I want to share this beautiful idea with you, this beautiful crochet. This is just one idea. Remember that you can make this jacket as you know. First, I will give you the material list, and then I will give you the step-by-step of how we can make this beautiful jacket. Later on, if you want, in another video, I can teach you how you can make this beautiful jacket. Please let me in the comments if you want to learn how And if you make this jacket, please send me a picture. I will be very happy to see all the pieces that you make. But well, let's don't lose more time and let's start. Well, for this jacket we are going to use two colors, 50 grams of this color and 50 grams of this beige color. Also, we are going to need a crochet hook of 3 millimeters, a ribbon, bottom, markers, and an embroidery needle. Remember that if you want to use the same materials that I use in all my videos, here I will leave all the information where you can buy them. Remember that if you want to buy and use the same materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es. I get ahead and I made 48 chains. I will make 2 more and I will come back, and in the third chain here I will make a double crochet of 2 crochets. And again 1 double crochet of 2 crochets. So here we have 2, then 1 chain, and then 4 double crochets of 2 crochets in each chain. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 1 chain, and again 4 double crochets of 2 crochets without skipping spaces, and like this the whole row, making 4 double crochets of 2 crochets and with 1 chain, and at the end we will finish with 2 double crochets. Well, at the end we will have left these 2 chains, but don't worry, we will leave like that. We will go up with 2 chains, and again 1 double crochet of 2 crochets in each chain. 1, 2, and here where we leave the chain we are going to make 2, 1, 2, 1 chain, and again 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Then here we are going to skip 1, 2, and here in the third 1 double crochets of 2 crochets, and again here 2 together, 1 chain, and again 2 together, 2 double crochets of 2 crochets, 1 and 2. 1 more, skip 2, and here we repeat. 1 outside, 2, 1 chain, 2, and 1 outside. Well, at the end of the row we are going to go up with 3 chains, and we are going to start counting from here backwards, 1 and 2, and here we are going to start. 2 double crochets, we have 1, 2, and 2 inside. Then 1 chain, 2 inside, and then 2 double crochets in the next chains. And we will go to the next shell. We will skip this space, look, always 1 of each side. And we are going to continue like this. We are going to increase double crochets. For example, here we made 1 outside and here we made 2 outside, and like this. Then 4, then 5, until we have enough to divide the armhole. Look, here in the third row I'm going to change color, so I'm going to go up with both colors, and here it's where I'm going to make the change. I'm going to continue just with this color, with this yellow kind of. So now we are going to make 3 outside and 2 inside, and like this is how we are going to continue with this color, okay? So see you when I finish to make this row. Well, look, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 rows, and I decided to mix the colors like this. And I think that with this rows is enough to divide to have the armhole. Remember that this is a premature jacket, so I'm going to leave it like that. But if you want to crochet the same jacket for a bigger size, well, you should make more rows. Well, I'm going to use my markers to divide, so I'm going to take the half like this. So this will be the half, and then from here we are going to divide like this, and we are going to decide if we want that this be our armhole or until here. Well, let's try. I will do it in the other part to see if the sleeve is not too small or too wide. I will see how it looks. Let me check. So it's very important also that you count. For example, here I have 1, 2, and 3 pieces, so 1 and 3. So here is where I'm going to put the marker here. So now I have both the sleeves in the same size, and well, this is how it will look. This will be our sleeve, and this will be the front. And now here I'm going to continue, and I'm going to change color from here until I arrive here to the marker. I'm going to continue with the pink, and now instead, remember that we are going to increase 1. Now instead of 5 we are going to make 6. 1, 2, 3, and like this until we arrive to the marker. So here we are. I put 2 here, 1 chain of division, and then 2. And like this we close the armhole, and we are going to repeat the same in the other side. And from here we are going to continue making as many rows as we need to obtain the length of our jacket that we want. We are going to count 1 or 2 rows where we are going to make 2 double crochets of 2 crochets in each side. And then we are going to count 5 rows where we are going to make 1 double crochet in each side. Because if we continue increasing, we will have the jacket too wide, so it's better that we stop here. Well, now we are going to crochet the sleeves. The sleeve seems too wide, but don't worry, we are going to reduce it a little bit. And here that I have both colors, well, I'm going to continue with we are going to sleeve until here, go up with 2 chains, and now we are going to make 1 double crochet in each chain of 2 crochets. And then skip 1 and 2, and we will start here, and again double crochet of 2 crochets. And here in the sleeves we are just going to make 1 in each side to not increase too much. Look, here we are going to make 1 in each side, and here we are going to slip 1 to close. And again we slip until here, and then we are going to make 1 double crochet on each chain, and like this we are going to reduce a little bit. Here skip this one, and like this we are going to reduce, and we are going to form the cuff. So we are going to continue. When we arrive here we are just going to make 1 in each side to increase. Look, here I finished the sleeve, and as you can see here in the bottom is where we were reducing and we create the cuff at the end. And I make exactly the same in the other sleeve. Look. Well, for the sleeve I made uh, one, 5 rows. And now with this yarn in this color we are going to make the last row to give a final touch. So we are going to make a row of crab stitch all around this project. I will show you how we are going to make a knot here, and we are going to make the crab stitch. It's like single crochet but backwards. So every time, and if this is the first time that you watch one of my videos, well, this is the crab stitch. It's like this, and we are going to make this all around this project and also in the sleeves. And this will be finished. So now let's see how it looks. So far it's looking so pretty. Remember to also put the bottom and the ribbon. Well, so what do you think? I hope that you have enjoyed making this jacket for me. While I was making this jacket, I was thinking in the premature baby that made use and made me this jacket that I was making, and with something so easy and with material that I have left from previous videos, you can create something like this. Remember that there are a lot of different stitches and you can create your own. Well, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to Laura Cepeda English, and also to my Spanish channel where I share more projects like this one but in Spanish. Also, please send me all your ideas to tejiamigas@gmail.com. Remember that I'm having a new section in my Spanish channel where I share all the celebrity looks, and if you have seen a celebrity wearing something neat or something crochet, well, please let me know and send this idea to this email. Thank you so much for being with me like every Wednesday. Remember that you can send these jackets to me to the address that I shared previously, but if not, well, you can make this project for the local hospital that you have in your community, okay? If you want to make me more projects like this one, please let me know. Bye!